Hello traders, the title of the video is how can I succeed in intraday trading. There are 6 steps that one can follow to succeed in intraday trading. Do you want to succeed in intraday trading, or have you been trying to be a successful intraday trader? All right. So let's get started. The first step to succeed in intraday trading is to learn to day trade. Very simple. So very often traders think that, not traders, or generally people think that they can get something out of something without first putting something into it. It's strange, isn't it? You want to get something out of something, you need to put something into it first. All right. So you cannot go to a bank and apply for a loan. You have to put some money into the bank first, all right? And then you can apply for a loan. You must have money before you can apply for a loan, yes or no? So this was going on all the time, all right? So you must put the effort in to learn to day trade. What is day trading, all right? How to day trade, all right? This is the theory. What are the different day trading strategies? Okay, you can watch videos about professional day traders, or you can watch live day trading. You can go to day trading forum. All this exercise is to accumulate the knowledge. All right. So you go to university, most of the time it's about the knowledge, and then you go to work, and then you start to learning practical use of the knowledge that you have learned before. All right, the same thing in trading. The first step to be a successful day trader is to learn first. So traders are going around saying they want to day trade. Right? They don't even know how to use the stochastic. They didn't even learn it properly. They don't understand how to trade overbought and oversold, talking about the theory alone. All right? So learn to day trade. The second step is to practice to master day trading. So what you need to do is to Google the phrase, okay, free demo account. Most brokers will provide traders with a free demo account. So you may have a virtual trading account with $100,000 or even more. You may have a trading software that had the function of simulation. One of them is Sierra chart. So, for instance, if you ask a pilot before they qualify as a pilot, they start flying the plane on a computer. This is a simulation. But you may think that, oh, they are just flying it on a computer. But if you cannot take off or land the plane on a computer, you can be trusted to go and learn to do it in a practical fashion. So those are simulation trading software, those demo accounts will allow you to practice. I remember years ago, I was paper trading, which means a piece of paper. I was sitting in front of a large chart, and I would just take, say, buy, sell, and I'm paper trading. This is a practice. So you want to practice with no real money, or you are not putting money into it yet. You are using either a demo account with a virtual currency, or you are using a simulation, all right, to practice. That can take you 2 or 3 months, depending on your learning ability. And then you practice. That's what you do. You just practice. You just sit down and practice to day trade. So the market will open at 2:30 p.m. New York, 2:30 p.m. London time. That's 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. And you sit down like a trader. You wait for the first 30 minutes candlestick to close, and you do your preparation before the market is open. What do you want to trade, and what strategy you want to apply? And the market is open, and you just trading until the market is closed. Nothing can replace a practice. With that, you're going to go through a lot of emotions sometimes. So they will give you a trading account. You may see sometimes you may deplete your trading account, you may waste your trading account, and then you recover it and you come back, which makes it stressful. And then slowly you pick up momentum and start trading better and better and better. Okay. The third step is about knowing your day trade setup and trade them. So instead of coming in every day and you use this strategy, that strategy, stochastic overbought, stochastic oversold, RSI overbought, divergence, and this and that, and you're just trying everything, moving average, crossover. Tomorrow you try something else. Day before you were trying P42 and so on. So you, after you have learned today trend and you were practicing today trend, you will settle with a few day trading setup that have been working for you. And those are the ones that I'm calling know your setup and trade them. Because they have been successful to you, you know them, you know how to trade them, and you're going to use those ones and all the time. All the time. Some traders, they do the same thing all the time. They only look for trading setup. Look at this one. You see this price here? There was a high here. Price breaks it, boom, every test. This is what some traders are trading all the time. And the common settler is broken. Swing trader breaks it, boom, retest. Common settler is broken. They implement a top-down trading. That's all they were trading all the time, every day, every night, everywhere. That's what they are trading. So know your intraday setup and trade them. That's the third step. The fourth step is to specialize. Don't be a jack of all trade. Don't trade everything. I do not trade ETF. Why? Does it mean that I cannot trade it? I can trade it. I can trade ETF, all right? But I'm not interested. I don't want to be trading everything in the world, all right? So specialize. Either you want to trade major currency pair, pound dollars, US dollars, euro dollars, euro British pound, US dollar Swiss franc, all right, dollar yen. Trade the major currency pair and specialize trading intraday trading those. Or trade blue chip stock that are component of NASDAQ 100 or component of Dow Jones, or trade the financial stock. Pick up one sector, trade something that has been working for you because you learned, you were practicing, so you discover the strategy that is working for you. Now specialize on financial instruments that have been friendly to you. Is it would you prefer to trade indices? There are many of them. Dow Jones Index, NASDAQ 100 Index, S&P 500 Index, 40 Index, CAC Index, CAC 40 Index, DAX 30 Index, Bovespa. So you can specialize yourself in intraday trading, only day trading indices, or day trading stocks, or day trading major currency pair, or day trading ETF, and so on and so on. So the fourth step, specialize. After a while, you will see what is working for you, what is moving fast, because as a day trader, you don't want to sit down in front of some useless financial instrument, illiquid financial instrument all day long, and no one is trading them. You are the only one trading there, and it's sitting there. You can hardly see the chart on a 1 minute frame or 3 minute frame, and you are just wasting time. This is it, wasting time and wasting money. Don't do that. Specialize and select the best for yourself. Trade only the best that are working for you. The fifth step to succeed in intraday trading is what? Day trade only during the first 2 hours when New York is open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. That's 2:30 p.m. London time. Day trade only during the first 2 hours when London is open at 8 a.m. London time. That is 3 a.m. Eastern Time. First 2 hours when a major stock market is closed. So you may say, Joe, why about Tokyo? How about Hong Kong? And I'll say to you, yeah. And I will say to you, yes. But I'll prefer London and New York, okay? First 2 hours. So this is the best time for day trading, for intraday trading. Market is open, first 2 hours, okay? After that, you go away. You can go away. If you want to hang around, you may come back and day trade again the last hour before the market is closed. When you are trading the last hour before the market is closed, you want to be very, very precise. It's completely crazy and annoying to come in only 1 hour before the market is closed and to lose money. I hate that. I don't know about you. You want to make sure while you are during that time, you are not placing many trades all over the place. You only got 1 hour. So why do you have to place many trades? All right? And why do you have to trade any trade? Best trade. And if it's not working, shut it down straight away. Because you don't want to lose during the last hour of the market. All right? Very important. The sixth step about how can I succeed in intraday trading is what? Is what? I'm asking you a question. You know it. Know the 6 biggest trading mistakes. There are 6 biggest trading mistakes that traders love to repeat all the time. I don't know why. I see all the time. Traders love those 6 biggest trading mistakes. They don't want to get rid of them. They say they are so cute. They are so beautiful. Look at that, George. They are so beautiful, beautiful trading mistake. I don't want to get rid of them, George. I like to keep them and repeat them all the time and waste my money. I love them, George. So know the 6 biggest trading mistakes. So you may say to me, George, what are the 6 biggest trading mistakes? Go to www.dayprotrade.com. Check out our webpage about the 6 biggest trading mistakes. And don't repeat them. So the first step to improve is to understand the mistake that one is making. Or even to be, the first step, in fact, is to be aware that I'm making the same mistake. Sometimes they are making the same mistake without knowing. So they are day trading like a swing trader, or they are day trading like a scalper. It can be just the mistake. Or they are violating the market pattern consistently all the time. Price in the rising channel, they are busy selling at the top instead of concentrating to buy. All right? So, check out that webpage, understand the mistakes thoroughly, recognize them, and when you make them, that's why when you have a losing trade, a day trader will go back at the end of the day, even if a bad day, very, very bad day, you sit down the whole day for the morning till the market is closed, only to see that you have lost. No gain at all. It's very, very bad. But you go and lay on your sofa for a while, maybe take a very hot bath, shake yourself, eat something, and come back again. You must review your trade, whether losing trade, emotional trade, and so you must review those trades. What went wrong? So with that, you'll find out the mistake that you have made and why today it was not a successful trade. You want to know why. Yesterday, you were trading like God, but why today you were not trading like God? So you want to find out why and rectify that. So usually you'll find out one of those mistakes will be part of those 6 biggest trading mistakes. And then the next day, you take a step, you say, all right, I'm not going to take any signal anywhere. If it's a buy signal, it must be near a key level or near a support level. If it's a sell signal, it must be near a resistance or near a key level so I can hide my stop loss behind those key levels. I will not take any buy and sell signal anywhere anyhow. Or it can be, I will not be carried away too much, taking multiple trades all over the place. I will maybe cut it down, okay, instead of taking 5 trades all the go, I may take only 2 trades and monitor them until I get paid. So this is it, all right? So you may say to me, it's not only 6 steps. Yes, there are more things that we can do to improve intraday trading, which means adopting the mindset of a professional day trader, which means you will be using a different time frame trading method. This is about adopting the mindset of a professional day trader. You will be using a different time frame trading method, day trading method. All right, so I can go on and on and on, add more, but those are the 6 first steps that one should use to succeed in intraday trading. So to summarize this video, the first step is learn to day trade, the theory, everything that you need to get your hand on, learn it, memorize it, understand it. Okay. Second step, practice. Use a demo account. Google free demo account. You'll see many. I think a plus 500 for those of you that are trading for plus 500. They are very excellent for educational material. I think they have a demo account. You should have a demo account. You can trade. Okay. Check for demo account that have a live data. Right? You can Google or YouTube say live demo, live free demo account. So when the market is open, okay, you come in. So as a day trader, when the market is open, I say to you, the first 2 hours, when the market is open, you allow the first 30 minute candlestick bar to close fast. You do not place any trade during the first 30 minutes of the first 2 hours. You do not, as a day trader. After the 30-minute candlestick bar is closed, then you start making decisions. You are very, very patient, which means allow the market to show you its arms, where is it going, and then after that you make decision. Don't rush. Sometimes you may end up missing opportunity, which means the market may open and then run up the whole day. You say, Joe, you stupid, Joe, you told me to wait the first 30 minutes. Market, look what I made. I could have bought it straight away. Don't worry, there will be another day. Or the market may open and go down the whole day. And usually, waiting the first 30 minutes after the first 30 minutes is a very, very good thing to do. So learn to day trade, practice and master day trade, know your day trade setup and trade them. So next time I see you on the street, I say, what are your day trade setup? You should be able to tell me at least 2 or 3 straight away, all right? Specialize, don't trade everything, all right? Specialize. Somebody asks you, are you interested? No, I'm not interested in that. I want to trade only this. You see? It doesn't mean that you cannot trade it, but you don't want to be all over the place. That's it. Specialize. 4th step, okay, or that's the 5th step, by the way. Trade only the first 2 hours. Allow the first 30 minute candlestick bar to close. And know the 6 biggest trading mistakes. To learn more about intraday trading or day trading, go to www.stochastic-macd.com. There are web pages about day trading strategy, how to use MACD for day trading, how to use stochastic for day trading. All right, check out our website, please. All right, subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader. Be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Alright, if you have any questions, suggestions, lament, complaints, alright, acclamation, blah blah blah, put in the comment section and in due course I will be answering your specific question. If this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. If you think, George, I'm very impressed, share it on the social website. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how can I succeed in intraday trading. 6th step. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching, and I mean it.